This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting risk. Unplug the charger and power down the Macbook. Carefully examine the cable, connector, and adapter for visible damage. This tells you whether the problem is electrical or mechanical. Use a multimeter to check output voltage on the brick. If you get nothing, suspect the adapter. Once done, lay tools out. Small drivers and a replacement cable handy. Make sure to ground yourself to prevent static damage. This protects internal components during any further inspection. You now isolate the fault by testing components stepwise. First, measure the adapter output with the multimeter and compare to the label. A low or zero reading means a bad adapter. If the adapter checks out, try a known good cable or charger. This rules out cable failure. Next, inspect the laptop side. Debris, bent pins, or corrosion can prevent connection. Once done, gently clean the port with compressed air and a soft brush. Avoid liquids unless you see corrosion. Then proceed carefully. You finish by repairing or replacing the failed part. Swap the cable if frayed, or replace the adapter if it fails voltage tests. Use OEM or certified parts to avoid heat and safety issues. If the MacBook port is physically damaged, a port replacement or board repair from a technician is often required. Trying complex solder work yourself risks more damage. Once replaced, reset the SMC and test charging while the Mac runs. If it still fails, consult a professional for a deeper diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.